Hi everyone, and welcome to another one of our Simply Crypto educational videos. Today we have episode 2 of the Basics of series, and we are talking about the basics of Trust Wallet. Why are we talking about Trust Wallet? Well, historically, although there are many crypto wallets on the market, new arrivals into crypto have been using or have used Trust Wallet as first wallet. So I thought, why not have a small tutorial, quick and hopefully easy to understand, on the basics of Trust Wallet. How to download it, how to use it, first of all, how to set it up, and then how to use it to send and receive crypto. With that said, let's start. Trust Wallet is a mobile application. So in my case, I've got an iPhone. You might have an Android device. That's fine. I would go into App Store. In my case, if you have an Android device, you would go to Google Play. So let's go into the App Store. Choose or search for Trust Wallet. There it is. Download Trust Wallet. It shouldn't take too long, depending on your connection, of course. It's about 53 megabyte, so not a massively big application. And now we can open it. And this is what you see when you download the application. So obviously there's 3 very quick screenshots, private and secure. The private keys are in your device. They're encrypted in your telephone. There will be a way, obviously, to get those private keys, and we're going to discuss that. Now scroll. All assets are in one place, and of course you can trade assets. Now create a new wallet, or do you already have a wallet? For example, have you just replaced your old telephone with a new one and you had a wallet there? In that case, you have your private keys from the old wallet, and you would choose, I already have a wallet. But in my case right now, I want to create a new wallet. Of course, check and read the privacy policy terms of service. If you agree with those, click on the box and on continue. Create your own passcode. Confirm it. And now this is a very important stage. Back up your wallet now. Now it's forcing you to do that. Otherwise you cannot go forward. So this is a secret phrase consisting of 12 words that must be written down or backed up, and they must be in order. Again, there's 3 points at the bottom that reminds you of how important this is. If you lose your secret phrase, your funds will be lost forever. If you expose or share your secret phrase to anybody, that person very likely, unless it's a friend or a family member, and even then, you don't know, but the funds can be stolen. And another thing to remember is Trust Wallet or anyone else will never ever send you a message, an email saying their support, we want to help you, please connect your wallet to this application, follow this link. No, that will never happen. If you get any message, any email like that is a scam. So run away as quick as you can. So just click that you understand that, click on continue, and these are the 12 words I need to write down and put somewhere safe. Okay, this is like the key to your safe where you've got your valuables, you've got gold, cash. These 12 words in this order are the key to that. Okay, now in the next screenshot, I will need to show that I know this secret phrase. Okay, so let me just do that. So continue. Okay, so what was the secret phrase? Spare mention member lecture. Again, I'm doing this now just to show you the stages of setting up your wallet. Do it properly. Do not take screenshots because anyone can see that. Write it down on a piece of paper and store it. Now, if the secret phrase is correct, when I press on continue, my wallet is now installed. And obviously, you see a little bit of information about the fact that you can buy crypto, you can deposit NFTs or crypto, etc. Do you want notifications enabled? Choose yes or no. But let's get to the UI, the user interface. Now you can see here, obviously at the top, I have 0 funds because it's a brand new wallet. Right under that, you see 4 blue circles where you can choose probably the 4 most immediate actions that you can take. For example, do you want to send any of the funds that you have to another person, another wallet of yours, to an exchange? Well, if that's the case, click on send and click on the address that you would have saved there, or add the address. Do you want to receive funds? Do you want to receive cryptocurrencies or NFTs? Click on receive, click on the token or coin that you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin. And now you can see the QR code with your address. Now, if you among friends, peer-to-peer transaction, you just show that QR code, someone else with the same wallet can just take a picture or scan it, and the wallet address appears in their phone and they can send you the funds. And that's absolutely fine. This address is public, so you can show it to anyone. So if you don't have a QR code device or anything like that, just press on it with your finger, and now the address has been copied, and you can paste it anywhere else where you want. And of course, you can also buy cryptocurrencies, or you can swap them, and you use the swap the Trust Wallet uses. Now, one thing that I recommend you do immediately is get rid of that BNB beacon chain. Now, it's there in your dashboard by default, but 99.9% of transactions taking place in the BNB ecosystem, at least among investors, take place on the BNB smart chain. So personally, I think that having that beacon chain there is very confusing, because if you give that address to someone, they will not be able to send you funds to via the smart chain. So how do we do that? Well, you can see at the top right 2 lines. So click on those, and that is where you choose what you see in your dashboard. So toggle off here BNB beacon chain, click on done, and now you don't see it anymore. So very strong suggestion, get rid of that straight away, because you're not going to use it 99.9% of the times. But now, let's say that I've got a custom token. I've participated in a pre-sale or fair launch, and I want to add a token. How do I do that? Well, you can see the add tokens bar at the bottom. Click on that. Now, if it is a let's say a famous token, you can find it already here. So for example, let's go into search and let's do Doge. You can see at the top Dogecoin, Doge. So just toggle that on, click on done, and now I've got it there. And if I have any Doge, you will see it there. You will see it there. But what if I have a custom token that is not famous yet? Something that I just bought on pre-sale, and I intend to keep for a while or to sell it. How do I add that? So again, add tokens, and then at the top left you see a plus. Click on that, and here is where you add a custom token. So choose the network or blockchain. Is it on the Ethereum network? Well, in my case, it's on BSC, Binance Smart Chain. So click here on the Ethereum and change to BNB Smart Chain. Now, contract address, that's the one that you need. Okay, so you just need to remember the two things: which network or blockchain and which contract address. So in my case, and paste it. Allow paste. Now the wallet is connected to the BNB Smart Chain network, and it's found that that contract address belongs to James, the Jamepad token. So if I'm happy with that, click on save. And now if I go back to my dashboard, you will see that that custom token has been added. So this is how simple it is to add more tokens to the dashboard and to interact with them. And of course, if you want to receive or send, in this case, Jamepad or James token, click on the token itself and choose which action you want to take. Now, again, this is just the basics of a tutorial, so we're not going to go into more detail as far as all the other features that Trust Wallet has. However, if you want to see something in particular, please let me know in the comments below, and I will prepare a video, a tutorial just for that. As we said, there are many other things that you can do. You can also send and receive and trade with NFTs. If that's your thing, please let me know in the comments, and we can do that. We can explain how to do it. But this is it for now. Please, if you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all at the next video. Bye now.